This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Hey everyone, today we are testing out 4 different beauty hacks that I found on TikTok. But first, let me tell you about today's sponsor. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company focused on sustainability, fair prices, and good quality. Ana Luisa uses 100% recycled gold and sterling silver in all their products, which is great for the earth and important to me and my lifestyle. Not to mention, Ana Luisa offsets 100% of their carbon emissions. I have 3 pieces from Ana Luisa to share with you today. The first is this butterfly necklace. It's a little baby butterfly. We also have this little heart necklace. Look at this. So cute. Oh my god, I heart this. Oh my goodness. My necklace game just went from here to here. Oh my gosh, which one should I wear today though? We are mix matching and I feel good. Ana Luisa is currently having a holiday 2020 sale, which is buy one, get one 40% off and get a free travel case on orders $150 or over. This sale is going until December 26th, so make sure to click the links down below and get yourself some new jewelry. Or get it as a gift, of course, but you know, treat yourself. Click the link down below and get some sustainable jewelry. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa. Now back to the beauty hacks. The first hack that we're testing out today, I'm sure you've seen it before, especially if you suffer from blackheads. The first hack is a DIY at-home blackhead extraction using a flosser. I'm scared. Let's try it out. So first we're taking a washcloth with hot water and we're just holding it over where our blackheads are. Oh god, I'm scared. Am I like not doing? Oh, there is something on there. Not as much as like videos show, but I'll keep trying. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Do what the videos say you do. Nope. Just waste the flosser. The next hack that we're going to be testing out is a new way to put on false lashes. I swear, I have finally gotten to the point where I am so comfortable putting on fake lashes, but it never hurts learning new ways to do things, okay? Let's see if this works. So for this hack, we're going to need lashes, glue, and scissors. First, I'm gonna take the lashes and we're just going to cut them in half. Where'd it go? Yeah, that's great. Okay. I'm going to be using Tarte Pro lash adhesive because it has a brush. However, I usually use the Duo brand because this one takes a little too long to dry, to be honest. But we have some time, you know? So we're going to just paint it right on there. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm getting so much on my eyelashes. It's gonna pull my eyelashes out. Beautiful. So now we're just gonna take the first little half of the first one and we're gonna just press it on in there. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it's sticking really good this time. Tarte heard me say that they're not good and now suddenly it works really well. Honestly, I kind of just like the half look. Wow, I've never put the glue right on my lids before. It's kind of scary. Now we're using the second part. Gotta roll up the sleeves for this one. Stick it right on there. Oh, well, I mean, I guess it works. I honestly think that this is a real hack. I'm stunned. I'm actually stunned. And I'm like stunned that I never thought of this, to be honest. I've thrown away all the other parts of my lashes that I cut in half. Why did I do that? This was great. Why not do this? The next hack that we're trying out is an at-home facelifter? Yeah, I don't know about this one either. Facelifts are not something I've looked into at all. This hack is relatively easy. All you need is a hair elastic. Let's see if this works. So we are sectioning our hair here. My face doesn't even move that much, to be honest. We're taking this hair, okay, and we're taking this hair. This is my face relaxed. But now we're just going to pull it, tie it tightly behind our heads. I don't know about this one, guys. I don't know about this one. Ugh. And now we take the top hair and we put the top hair back down. Honestly, you can't really tell too much that that's being pulled. The hair pulling And the effects. Do I just like not have a lot of loose skin on my face? Because I think I do. I don't think this hack is for me. Oh my gosh. It's hard to move my brows a little bit. Oh my gosh. I feel the effects more than you can see them, to be honest. So this hack I deem unnecessary. The last beauty hack that we are testing out today is a lip plumper. You might have seen this online. Some people did this as a big lip challenge, but basically what it is you are putting some heavy duty lash glue. You are putting some on the bottom, right underneath your lip, and right on top of your upper lip, and you're just going to push your lips so that you have more lip showing. I don't really know how well this is gonna work, but let's try it out. So I'm going to be taking the same Tarte glue that apparently works better now, and I'm gonna be putting some right here, some right underneath. We're folding it over, and I'm just gonna press it right down in there, and I'm gonna hold that there. I wonder how long I have to stay like this. Even if this works, I don't think it's gonna look very good. Oh my god. I can't look at myself. I can't look at myself. My nose is running. Think I can let go now? Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god, the top one worked. Wait a minute. Let's do it again. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Oh no! The bottom one is so hard. Oh no! Third time's charm. This one will stay forever. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I feel cute. This is insane. Oh, it's slipping. I can feel it. Oh, and all my lipstick is right there. I don't know how I feel about this. I can't swallow my spit. Oh my god. I guess this hack does work. It just, like, obviously, for, like, why though? You know? Like, how long can someone stay like this? If you really want it to stay, like, you can't move your mouth. You become a mouth breather. Like, you can't even swallow your spit. Like, what are you gonna do? You can't do this all day. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I have to show my roommates. This is so funny. Guys, look at my lips. I had so much fun testing out these hacks. If you have any hacks that you want me to try, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know. And if you're new, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Yeah, I don't know about those ones. I don't know about that.